Nor in Tesla with another quick tip. And this one is a quick one. One of the less convenient aspects of supercharging is there isn't always a washroom available at the supercharger. So if you have a wife like mine who has a small bladder, or you yourself have a small bladder, or you have tiny humans with tiny bladders, it's good to know where the closest washroom is. I still think Tesla should have like little lounges or something at the supercharger, but that's another video for another day. At least now there is a quick way to find out where the nearest washroom is. Now, I'm not too sure when this happened, either V11 or maybe in one of the most recent updates. But now when you go to your supercharger, if you bring it up, you'll see along with your restaurant and shopping icons, there is now a washroom icon. So click on here and it will tell you where the nearest washroom is. Pretty cool and very convenient if you run into those situations. All right, I hope this helps and thanks for watching, and check out my quick tip playlist right up here for more tips. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future tips. All right, we'll see you next week.